Y'all, it's your girl Tonia here, back with another vlog. So today I am getting ready to go get my freaking nails done. Y'all look, my bad, I'm covering up the camera. Girl, that one's broken. This nail, child, girl, is lifting. A hot mess. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I am gonna stop by a couple of thrift stores, so we'll see what's in those. And then in this vlog, I'm gonna share with y'all my my filming room, or my closet content room, just the disaster that it was, and I cleaned her up and just kind of walked through it. And so yeah, we're just gonna get the day started. Hope y'all are having a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. We're trying to get it popping over here on YouTube, okay? I'm trying to get better at this content thing, girl. So yeah, let's ride. Y'all, your girl got her nails done. Girl, don't worry about these ashy knuckles, girl. I gotta find my piece of lotion. But got my nails done. I went with red. It wasn't what I was going with or I wanted today, but it's whatever. So yeah, got the nails did. And then y'all, I ran into Target really quick. Show y'all what I got. I needed this command hook for the back of my bathroom door in Anaya's bathroom. So I grabbed that out of Target. I saw this notebook, thought she was really cute, so I grabbed her. Look, I done scratched it up, but she's really cute, journaling, whatnot, for my notes for the business. So I grabbed that. And y'all, why are batteries so expensive? Like, this 12-pack of batteries, or this 10-pack of batteries, y'all, was like $12. I'm irritated. Why is batteries so expensive? But I need it for my Christmas wreath on my door. I needed some AA batteries. So yeah, so right now I'm about to I'm looking all razzle dazzled now. So right now I'm about to run to Chick-fil-A. Then we're gonna run to the thrift store and then back home. And I'm feeling like I'm gonna go by the grocery store because I feel like I want to make some chicken parmesan or some bag and seasoned chicken something. So yeah, we're about to go Chick-fil-A and then thrift store and then grocery store and then home. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, this is the only store that I'm going in today. I think I might pop in Value Village. We'll see. Try to make it quick. I can do something with this. I sort of kind of like this sweater, maybe worn as a dress. I don't know how long. I don't think it is. I left with nothing. That was a fail. I left out of there with nothing, y'all. I'll be forgetting. I'll be covering the camera up. I left out there with nothing. I put my hand on a couple of things. It wasn't giving. So that's how it be sometimes when you go thrifting. Sometimes you go in and you find stuff all the time. Then sometimes you go and find nothing. And I am the type too. I don't like thrifting during the week on weekends. I like to thrift during the week. That way, you know, I'm just getting, you know, the best of the stuff that'll be put out. Because by the time we get to the weekend, people will be done picked over and all that woo-woo. So I think I'm finna run in TJ Maxx while I'm on this side of town. And then I might pop in Value Village. We'll see. You know, 9 times out of 10 when I feel like I don't want to go in the store, that'd be when I find something. So, and I might run in this downtown rescue mission because I found those thrift pants in there last time. I mean, those camo pants. So we'll see if they have some. So I'll make a couple stops and then home because the game come on at 3 o'clock and I'm already behind. So see y'all in a little bit. So y'all, I put my hands on the 2 sweaters This one I had to grab a 1X because they didn't have a large, and this sweater. And this stuff probably been out at my store. I'm just getting out to it today. And I just threw something on this morning because it's a little chilly. So this is the outfit of the day. Simple, y'all. Simple. This is, again, the 1X on me. The 1X. I don't know what y'all think. And this is the other one. See the sleeves all have. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to share with you my filming room / where all the TR magic happens. The before. Y'all, it's a hot mess. So this is how it looks after I done been recording. I had a live that I hosted, so that's still set up. This is the mess of my room. So usually when I'm creating the videos, I just have ideas in my head. I have outfits in my head, and as I'm filming and putting looks together, child girl stuff just get thrown everywhere. So this is the state of my room right now. I'm going to get those bins out of there. It's a hot mess, but I'm going to go through and clean it up because the only way I can function is if it's clean. So I'll take y'all through what it looks like after. Y'all, so I've gone through and cleaned up the room, got it back how I needed it to be. So when you first come in my room, of course, you see my IKEA iPad closet system, or the PAX closet system. So excuse my orange juice and my little opinion and my little box, but I just set it right there for now. And then so I have my tripods over here, and I keep this little stool in this room because it houses all of my like I got lotions in there, my Snuggle, my cleaning spray, just a few little different things in there. And then of course my pack system, I need to come through and organize it. I haven't done that yet. I need to though. I'm sure I'll get to it at some point in time, but it's still got like a lot of spring stuff, but you know, I style outfits so all year long. So I could put it up and switch it, but this is not my everyday closet. So I'm not even going to worry about it. Probably going to eventually pull this TV out of here because I never have it on. I'm never in here to watch TV. So I'm probably going to pull that out of here and use that to organize something else in the room. But that's just how I have it organized. Just tops over here, blazers, like skirts, dresses, anything long. I have accessories in here, so my earrings, shades are in that drawer. I've been storing bags in there, and then more shoes, pants. This is miscellaneous, so I got shorts over there. I have like skirts, t-shirts, summertime, vacation vibe stuff in there. Then here I have my hats. I have belts in there. I guess I could bring y'all a little bit closer. It's not really organized right now, but the belts are in here. And then my boxes for my shades, I put those in there. It needs to be organized, and maybe we'll come back and do that. And then like all my little Scully hats are in here right now. Then down here, I have more of my fitted caps in here, and then tights are in here, gloves. And then that bottom drawer, y'all, it's so messy, but it's like those, my cutoff shirts, my fishnet tops are in there. So yeah, that's just how this looks right now. And then here's my rack that's in the room. So this is rack. I need to really clean this rack off. I really need a new one because she's so wobbly. But this rack is where, you know, when I'm getting ready to style videos or if I'm getting ready to do lives, I just have everything on the rack. I can't stand the fact that all my internet cords and whatnots are right here. So annoying, but yeah. Lately, of course, I've been recording my videos right here in this little spot. And, you know, sometimes y'all see the background of my closet in my videos. I know this right here, y'all, looks a hot mess, but it's when I get new clothes or when I thrift and I bring the bags, I just drop the bags in here this is what I intend to kind of style up, do a shop update. So that's just here right now. And behind it, I just got my boots. So the boots that I normally style, I just brought the boots in here. That way, you know, as I'm putting outfits together, they're here, they're out, I can see them and use them. This is sort of kind of my workstation. It's a hot mess. But you know, nothing's perfect, and I wasn't gonna not record because it's not perfectly clean and it's not perfectly in order. Whoop de whoop. I wasn't gonna do all that. So this is just real. It is what it is. My shredder for my mail. So normally when I bring the mail in, I like to shred it because half of it's junk anyway. So I need to go through that and shred that. But my printer is here. Just some more stuff that I pack with. My laptop. Yeah, just miscellaneous. And then I'm looking a mess, y'all. So whatever. Like I said, this is the real deal. I'm not feeling the greatest. Whatever. Bonnet on, child girl. And my mirror that I got from CB2. This is my big mirror that stands in here. And then you all know I film in front of my window. So that's that. So yeah, y'all, this is my filming room. This is where the TR magic happens. I come in here and I got to clean it, at least have the floor clean. My rug is over there because that's where I record. But this is my room, y'all. This is where I get it, you know, my inspiration from. So I had to clean it just so that, you know, she is not, it doesn't further clutter my mind. Even though for some of y'all, it may not even be clean, but this is what's good for me. And so I'll give y'all, I don't want to make y'all dizzy, but from this corner of my room out to my dining room, I got to organize those things over there. But yeah, this is the room, y'all, where all the fashion content gets created. All right, love y'all. Bye.